Hello everyone and welcome back. Today a quick video about how to best apply Rubio Monocoat to uneven surfaces on your workpieces. If you follow my channel, you know that I use Rubio Monocoat a lot. For my table project and other similar projects, I just love it. And most of those projects use very even, smooth and sanded surfaces, and so you can put the Rubio in there and disperse it really well and apply it, and it's just beautiful. But I also love live edges. And with the live edges, the problem is that sometimes it's hard to apply the Rubio on those. If the edges have a lot of cracks and holes and splinters, then it's more difficult to apply because you cannot disperse it as easily. And so what I did in the beginning, I used rags. And so dip a rag into the Rubio and just disperse it on the live edge. And so we have here a live edge like this. I can show it to you, and you see it has a lot of cracks and splinters, right? And so if you do that with a rag, then it gets stuck here. And it won't be nice looking, and you will also, sometimes it even tears out pieces of the rag and you have it in those cracks, and it's all difficult to clean up. And because of that, I switched my strategy a while ago to use a brush. So a normal brush that you use for applying, for instance, polyurethane to your workpiece. That works pretty well. The problem here is these brushes are pretty expensive. This is out of plastic, and somehow, while it works and you can distribute it into the cracks pretty well, but you need to go over it multiple times, and I was never super happy with it, but it worked much better. And most of the times, after a couple times, you need to throw those away because, I don't know, the Rubio it's kind of a weird liquid. Even if you try to clean it, you put it in water, but still it's kind of oily, and so when you come back after a couple of times, it's all hard and it doesn't bend well when you want to apply it, and so I had to replace them often. But better than using a rag. A couple of days ago, I made a discovery, and it's the following. So I ordered a while back, 2 years back, I ordered cheap brushes. Like this one here. You see it's out of wood, and it has very, very thin hair here, very thin brush. And I ordered them because it was cheap, and I knew if I apply polyurethane afterwards, I have to throw it away. I used it with polyurethane and the result was not good. I did not like it. It got all stuck and the hair was tearing out, and I was like, these are no good, these are too cheap, and I just threw them into a corner, forgot about it. So a couple of days ago I went to get one of those brushes here to apply on a cookie slab live edge, and I saw those. And it was like, oh, maybe that's good enough for Rubio. I can give it a try. Let's see how it works. And so I dipped it into Rubio and started applying it, and it was wonderful because these hairs are so thin that they got into all the cracks and holes very smooth, and dispersed it really well, so there was no blobs anywhere, and I was like it felt like wonder, and I was like, wow, this is fantastic. And so I also applied it onto the smooth piece, which again was fantastic because it was distributing it really well, soaking it up, the wood was soaking it up, it was no blobs and anything. And so I was like, oh, that is amazing. And so I just put it into a cup of water and forgot about it, continued with my business. Next day, I went again and I had to apply Rubio on another workpiece, and I was like, let's see if it still works, right? I didn't even clean it because I thought, well, it's cheap, I can throw it away, I can use another one. So I take it and dry it a little bit, and it was still beautiful, wonderful, nothing weird stuck, so I just applied it on the second cookie slab, and it was wonderful. And so for me, it was like a revelation. It was like, this is the best way to apply Rubio Monocoat to uneven surfaces with these cheap brushes. And I was so excited about my discovery. I was like, I'm going to make a video for you all. And so I'll put the links to those brushes in the description in case you need to apply Rubio to live edges or uneven surfaces. They're not expensive. The shipping is a little bit more expensive. But still, you can get like 12 of those, including shipping, for about $20. So it's not bad. And if you order more, then it gets even cheaper. So yeah, if that is something that is helpful to you, that's why I thought I'd make this video. And if you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you around.